weeks from the least amount of miles Jasmine ran to the greatest amount of miles Jasmine ran. Jasmine kept a record of how many miles she ran each week during 1 month. True or false? 1 in 682,000 inches rounded to the nearest whole number is 1 inch. True or false? 1 in 682,000 inches rounded to the nearest tenth is 1 in 6/10 inches. True or false? 1 in 682,000 inches rounded to the nearest hundredth is 1 in 68 hundredths inches. Students are selling pens to their friends. 1 pen costs 30 cents. 2 pens cost 43 cents. 3 pens cost 56 cents. And 4 pens cost 69 cents. If this pattern keeps going, how much will 6 pens cost? Think. Find the pattern, then find how much 6 pens will cost. What is the value of the underlined digit? Is it 8 ones, 8 tenths, 8 hundredths, or 8 thousandths? Kat worked on her homework for 2 5/10 hours on Tuesday and 1 75 hundredths hours on Friday. How many total hours did she work on her homework? Mara's cat is 2.2 45 hundredths pounds, and Jen's cat is 3 6/10 pounds. How many more pounds is Jen's cat than Mara's? 1 5 hundredths pounds more? 1 15 hundredths pounds more? 1 25 hundredths pounds more? Or 1 pound more? Luis found 2 bikes he likes. The first bike costs $74.59. The second bike costs $98.50. Estimate the difference in the costs of the bikes. Larry bought 4 lemonades for his friends. Each lemonade costs $1.28. Complete the table to show the costs of 2, 3, and 4 lemonades. Kevin and Yasuku are writing number patterns. Yasuku wrote the following sequence: 35 9/10, 34 7/10, 33 5/10, blank 1, 31 1/10. What is the unknown term in the sequence? What is the term that is missing right here? Select all other ways to write 15 72 hundredths. Mark all that apply. The first one says 10 times 5 plus 5 times 1 plus 7 times 1 100th plus 2 times 1 1,000th. The second choice says 15 72 thousandths. The third choice says 50 plus 5 plus 7 tenths plus 2 thousandths. The fourth choice says 15 72 tenths. And the last choice says 1 times 10 plus 5 times 1 plus 7 times 1 hundredth plus 2 times 1 thousandth. Click the boxes to decide which ones are the answers. There can be more than one answer. What is 1/10 of 6 tenths? 6, 6 tenths, 6 hundredths, 6 thousandths. Select all other ways to write 3 51 hundredths. Mark all that apply. The first choice is 3 plus 5 hundredths plus 1 hundredth. The second choice is 3 51 hundredths. The third choice is 3 times 1 plus 5 times 1/10 plus 1 times 1 100th. And the last choice is 3 times 1 plus 5 times 10 plus 1 times 100. Pick all the answers that apply.
The 4 highest scores at a diving meet were 9 8/800ths, 9 1/10, 9 1500ths, and 9 600ths points. What is the lowest of these 4 scores? The 4 highest scores at a diving meet were 9 8/800ths, 9 1/10, 9 1500ths, and 9 600ths points. What is the highest of these 4 scores? Adele ran around the track in 32 56 seconds. Alex ran around the track in 29 4/10 seconds. How many seconds faster was Alex's time than Adele's time? 3 1400 seconds, 3 1500 seconds, 3 1600 seconds, or 3 1700 seconds. In the number 2 and 175 thousandths, the value of the digit 2 is 2 ones, tenths, hundredths, or thousandths. In the number 2 and 175 thousandths, the value of the digit 7 is 7 ones, tenths, hundredths, or thousandths. 92 hundredths is 10 times as much as 92 thousandths or 9 200ths. Now please go back and recheck all of your work and listen to this again if you need to hear it again.